Hello, everyone. This is 8 Story. Short stories, easy English. Take your time. Relax. Listen wherever you are. Let us begin.
London is a very old city. It is in the United Kingdom. Many people live in London. Millions of people live here. People come from many countries. Many cultures meet in this city. London has long streets. The streets tell many stories. People walk fast every day. People go to work early. Many offices fill the city. Business shapes daily life here. Buses move across the streets. Trains run under the city. History lives in many buildings. Old buildings stand near new ones. The city feels busy but calm. London moves in a quiet way.
Okay, let me tell you about this moment. I walk alone in London today. The air is cool. The sky looks wide. Now, I move forward. I keep my pace steady. I do not rush. I stay on my path. People pass me on the street. Some look at their phones. Some talk as they walk. Cars move beside me. All right, I stay focused. This walk matters. I am here in the city. Now, I keep moving.
I walk past old stone buildings. The buildings feel strong and tall. Some buildings look very old. Some buildings look very new. I see small shops on the street. Lights shine inside the shops. People enter and leave quickly. I smell food from a restaurant. I hear soft city sounds. My shoes touch the ground. Each step feels steady. I keep walking forward. I enjoy walking alone here. The street feels wide and safe. Time feels slow during this walk.
Okay, here is what happens next. I walk without a clear plan. I keep my phone in my pocket. I do not open the map. The streets start to look the same. Each turn feels unfamiliar. Now, I stop near a corner. I look left. I look right. I do not know this area well. The city feels bigger again. People walk past me. No one stops. Everyone looks busy today. All right, I pause for a moment. I take a breath. I stay alert. I wait.
Okay, here is what happens next. I walk again without direction. I pick one street. I keep moving. The street is long. It looks quiet. Now I listen to my steps. They sound clear. I check the street signs. The names are hard to remember. All right, I stop near a traffic light. Cars pass in front of me. The light changes. I feel tired in my legs. I pause for a moment. I feel tired in my head. I look around. Now I decide what to do. I stay on my feet. I keep going. Okay, let me tell you what happens. I see a small cafe ahead. It looks warm and bright. Light comes through the window. Now, watch this. I walk toward the door. I take a quick look inside. People are sitting there. The place looks comfortable. All right, here is the moment. I open the door. I hear light noise inside. I sit near the window. So this is what I do next. I take out my phone. I open the city map. Now, I look carefully. I see my place clearly. Okay, I choose one street. I move forward. Okay, this is how it ends. I leave the cafe. I step back onto the street. The street looks different now. I keep walking. My body feels lighter. My mind feels clear. London opens up in front of me. Now, I move forward. I keep walking. Thank you for listening. This was 8 Story Podcast. Take your time. Take it slow. I will see you next time.